In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your 401k over to a Roth IRA. As an example, let's say you have a 401k from your old employer that has a value of $50,000. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open a traditional IRA at a broker. It could be Fidelity, M1 Finance. I personally use TD Ameritrade. And what you're going to do is take that $50,000 from your old 401k and transfer it to that traditional IRA. Now, the important thing in this step is to not invest that $50,000 quite yet. And that's because before you invest this $50,000, you're going to open a Roth IRA at the same broker and transfer $6,500 into it from this $50,000. And once you have this $6,500 transferred into your Roth IRA, don't forget to invest this money. And for your knowledge, I personally invest in low-cost index funds. Now, there are a couple of housekeeping items that I want to mention. The first is don't forget to invest the $43,500 that's sitting in your traditional IRA. Because remember, we had $50,000 in our traditional IRA, we transferred $6,500 of that to our Roth IRA, but we still need to invest the balance that's sitting in our traditional IRA. The second housekeeping item is that you can do this transfer every single year. And by transfer, I'm talking about taking $6,500 a year out of your traditional IRA and putting it into your Roth IRA. And the third housekeeping item is that you will owe taxes on the $6,500 that you transfer during the conversion year, but you won't owe any taxes on that later. And that's because with a Roth IRA, you just pay taxes on the money that you put in, but all subsequent growth and withdrawals, as long as you're 59 and a half years old, are tax-free. Ladies and gentlemen, financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.